Vicky here with you, and I wanted to do something that wasn't going to take a lot of voice because I cough when I talk too much. So I'm doing one of the owls that I got from Onedaysaving, and these are the beautiful bookmarks. So I'm going to start off with this one because that's the one I'm going to be giving to my dad, and his birthday is coming up, so I really need to get that going. I'm using their beautiful system to store whatever extras I have of this, the diamonds, and I'm also using this tool. I'm going to use this tool to put all the diamonds so that I make my life easier. So I will speed up the video so I don't have to talk, and I will see you once I'm finished with this. I should show you guys this first. Whenever you're purchasing kits from Onedaysaving, it comes with everything you need. So I'm using this fancy tool that they provided me in the past because I just love it. It's a really nice shape. However, you don't really need one, especially if you're not going to be if you don't know if it's going to be something that you're going to be really interested in. Like, you might not want to invest in a tool right away. They have little baggies so that you can put the extras of your diamonds in it. It comes with the little sticky thing that you use your little tool, like you plug through this, and that's how your diamond sticks to your pen. So they have a pen, as you can see, like it's not as fancy, and it's a little bit harder like for your hands than this one. This one, however, is heavier, so it depends on how you see things. Obviously, everybody is different. You already have the little tassel, and it's such a beautiful one. It has a metal part at the top. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. And you've got all your diamonds, so you're all set to go. You don't need any extras. You've got the little plate. So what I would do, when I did this initially, I would just put one set of diamonds in this, and then I finish that number and then go on to the next one. The only bad part with doing that versus having many is that if you've missed one of the numbers, then you have to go back to your baggie of where the diamonds that are left over. And that's why I keep all of these. I've got a ton of them, and usually when I have big diamond painting session, I will put all the diamonds in different ones, because this is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 9 numbers on here, so you can see that this is not going to be sufficient for all of my diamonds. But some are bigger, so that you don't have as many. So anyway, just a little story. As I said, I still cough when I talk too much. So I'm going to pause now and speed up the process and come back when it's finished. Okay, so I finished. Sorry. I'm sorry about that. So I finished the bookmark. I love how it turned out. I'm totally in love with the tassel. It's just so pretty with the metal part. It's just perfect. Like, it's so pretty. It's prettier than all the other ones that I've seen so far. So really just adore this. I think my dad is gonna love it, and since he reads a lot of novels, he's gonna be liking this, I'm pretty sure. You saw me put my little bling into my little containers. I needed a few new ones, but I had the rest, were a lot of them. I already had the colors started, so I just added back to whatever little container I had that was already going. So this is, I'm loving how this is turning out, and that I have all these little containers ready to go. The one thing though that you saw me change is this thing here. I did not like this. The bling was sticking to it. It wasn't turning, so it was making my life very difficult. So honestly, like, this is not a tool that I will be using. Loving this one though, and this one has some inserts, but I don't know what happened to them. I brought it to my dad and mother-in-law, stepmom. I'm getting confused. To my stepmom and my dad's place, and I don't know. I must have misplaced it. Anyway, can't find it. So that's why I was using it that way, but still worked out. So yeah, I'm had a lot of fun. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing me make this little owl, and I will see you guys at another time for the other set, which has the dragonfly. So I don't think I will be making another video of the owls, just because I did it already. So I feel like it would be redundant. But yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed, and go and check out in the description box below the link to the product that I've used. This way you can go and check them out, and there's a discount code as well for you guys. So love you all, stay safe, and see you soon.